Welcome to Flick Tactics Week 14 updates. 6 more weeks to go. And this is an important update because we are going to cut some scope here. Here are the additions and changes for this week. Kyle Knudsen did Jonah face expression, as you can see on the right side, and it is really good. It is fantastic pixel art where we like he really considered details, which is like amazing. And Ashley also did a very good Zarima. It's a very like funky style. No, not funky. I don't know what to call it, but it is really nice. I think it just needs some polish and some tweaks, and it will become a really good Zarim face, which is nice. It's base face, of course, the happy expression. Ryan improved map 4 and added a new map, map 5. And I did turn display in gameplay, mech attack muzzle flashes, and of course improve the battle transition. So it's time for, no, of course not, drastic scope cutting. All right. Um, there is no more campaign. We are no longer gonna make the campaign. This is a really big thing to to actually remove, but we only got 6 weeks, so it's better to just focus on gameplay rather than story and the mission events and level designs. It will be really complicated if we if I personally focused on campaign as of now. And yeah, if removal of campaign means removal of mission dialogues, removal of mission events, and removal of mission level design. I actually want to apologize Justin Chin, who actually developed a dialogues for Mission One, and he also and I actually told him that we will do mission events, and I was like delaying it, postponing it again and again. I couldn't come to the mission event stuff and things like that. It's quite to be honest, it's not good feeling, of course, and I hope that Justin Chin won't feel bad or anything. But we will be doing this campaign after the initial Flick Tactics, of course, March 13, I guess. Yeah. After that, we will do the campaign in the post Flick Tactics. For now, we will leave a 3 dialogues in the campaign. I will show it to you. I have done that, and then there is the character theme music is no longer there. I mean, we really don't need that. We can just have one generic battle music, and when the character powers up, there's the power music, and when the opponent powers up, there's the opponent power music. Yeah, I think that's enough. We don't need like 5 character theme music, unless someone wants to do all of them, all 5 of them, before the March 2nd week, which I believe is the time when Flick Tactics initial phase will come to an end, and then there is the mech unit attack animation, which is now replaced by muzzle flashes that I have added. If campaign is removed, then that means characters are removed. No, character faces are there and body art is there. There are power ups. There are like some dialogues will be there, right? And there will be expression that will be used. The expression and specific character dialogue will be used before winning, game over, or power transition. For instance, if Zareem powers up, he will have a happy face with a dialogue, yay, power, or something. I don't know. I'm just saying. Or, for instance, the enemy beats you, enemy beats Zareem or someone, and then Zareem says something, or when the game overs, says that, oh, this is bad, and, shows a sad expression with the game over, things like that. So, yeah, we are keeping it short and simple because, uh, of course, we have to respect the timeline that we have given to Flick Tactics. So it's playtime, and let's check out the changes. So now if I press campaign, play campaign, it says campaign is not added in the game yet. But hey, you can play versus with your friends or AI. Have fun. And then it goes back to menu. That's what will happen. See, this is map 4 made by Ryan, and now it has the war buildings, as you can clearly see, and it is now much improved. The units, I believe some units are also changed, I'm not sure. There is the very cool triangular map 5 made by Ryan again, and yeah, it is really cool. It is symmetrical and kinda asymmetrical as well. So I attack this building, and you can see the muzzle, the rifle attacking muzzle. That's what I'm talking about. Now I attack this building with the artillery, and you will see, yo, this muzzle flash of artillery, and oh, the building is destroyed. Now I attack this building, and you will see, poo, like the muzzle flash and the attacking. I don't see the point of having the mech attack animation. All right, and yeah, it's pretty decent. Also, if you see at the top middle, there is the turns, right? For the next week, we are going for pretty much the same stuff: enemy AI, reset turn in game UI, the art, full body and facial expressions, map and level designs, of course. Uh, the more the better. And then there are two musics as well: the player power turn music and the enemy power turn music. Basically, the music that will play when the player uses the power, and then that music will remain till the player's turn is over, right? And same is for the enemy. So yeah, that's the two music. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates.